This is a breathing exercise. It brings awareness to breath and brings fullness into our own breathing. I call this breathing like a rain. I hope you have as much fun with it as I do. To begin with, stand hip width apart or shoulder width. That gives you a solid foundation for your body to stand with good balance. Your knees are soft, and then you're going to make this sound with your mouth, which is like a rain. So take a breath in, and you're going to do a swish sound. Take both arms up, lift your chin up. As you lift your chin up, your hand raises up right to the ceiling. You take a breath in, and as the hand comes down, you softly bend your knees with the swish sound. Let's do it with the sound now. So hands go up, reaching up to the ceiling. You take an inhalation, deep breath in, and we're going to go shh. One more time. You can do it with one hand at a time. So take a breath in with your right hand, breath out, shh, and then the left hand, shh, and you can create a little dance with your hands. You can take both your hands as high as you need to. So if you can't reach the ceiling, you can take it as far as your hands can possibly go and do the exercise there. With one hand. This exercise is a great one to warm up your body. If you want to do it really fast, it can also work as a cardiovascular exercise. So I'm going to do a really fast version with both the arms and one arm. So you take a breath in. You can speed it up. And with one arm. And you can mix it up. You can do two arms into one arm. You could also do this to the side. So your feet will go slightly wider. You take both arms across to the right, and then you swish it to the other side. And then you take it to the left, across to your left hand side, and then you swish it to the other side. We'll do 4 of these. Couple of more ideas for this exercise. You would have noticed as I bring my arms down, I'm also taking my torso down. So that also creates a lot more energy in the body. It allows the blood to move much more quickly and faster. Your body is much more warmer. With the feet, even though they are comfortable, when I bring my hands down and my body down, I press the feet into the floor just very gently. By doing that, very gently, the knee muscles get activated, the thigh muscles get activated. We are now going to do this really fast. and that will raise the heart rate much quicker. The next variation for this exercise is, if you can't raise your hands as far as that, take your hands to wherever it's comfortable. We can do this with just one arm. So take one arm right to the ceiling. And similarly, we can take the arm just as far as our body allows the arm to go. The next variation for this is to the side. So you take your hands across your body. So I'm taking my hands across my right side, and then I'm going to swing it to the left hand corner bottom. And then I'm going to take my hands to the left hand corner top, and then swing it to the right hand corner bottom. You would have noticed when I'm doing the corner, not only I'm activating the breath or the depth of breathing, but also doing a little bit of twist, which is great for the spine. I hope you enjoy this. Vary it with two arms, one arm, and with the side swings, do it with the sound or without the sound. Make a dance, a rain dance.